What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Carvin's for Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm finally going to be taking the Lexus to go get the valve covers done and go get some new spark plugs. Finally. So if you guys been keeping up with the Lexus Ls400 content, I did a lot of work on this car. You know, I did timing belt, water pump, thermostat, dry belts. I did an oil change, I did brakes, I did an alignment, I added new tires, I replaced the radiator, new coolant, of course, come from that. So I did a lot with this car. Now at Lexus, they told me I needed to do the valve covers, which I checked, they're really bad. I'm gonna show you guys in just a minute. I just need to get somewhere where I can pull over. I'm gonna show you how bad the valve covers are. Because what I noticed for the past couple of weeks is that I'm like, dang, why does this car always smell burnt? Smell like, you know, burnt oil. And sometimes occasionally you'll see just a little steam or like a little smoke coming from the hood. I'm like, oh yeah, it must be those valve covers. And I checked, it most certainly is the valve covers. So I'm happy I'm finally getting that done today. I'm dropping this car off, today is Thursday. I won't be able to pick it up until Friday because I work a graveyard shift, and the guy told me that he's gonna work on it first thing Friday morning, so I should be able to pick it up tomorrow afternoon. So that's what we're gonna go do. I'm gonna have to go get the G out because I gotta go to work tonight. Actually today is my Friday. I'm on Fridays and Saturdays, so I'm gonna be commuting to G tonight for one night. And yeah, but back to the Lexus. I'm happy I'm finally getting this stuff done because I know it's gonna run a lot better. I'm not gonna smell oil, and with me adding new spark plugs, I know the car is gonna be a lot smoother and the engine is gonna get a lot quieter. So I'm really excited about that. So back to what I was saying about Lexus Concord, what they was telling me about the car when I got out the shop. I've been kind of going down that list and just knocking everything off, but the last things that I have to get done with this car is the tail lights. And I'm actually probably gonna do that this weekend. I'm probably gonna pull up on Mark and just have him go ahead and, you know, replace, you know, all the lights and the tail lights or whatever. And then I need to get those brake sensors. That's about it. But it don't really bother me that much. I kind of got used to it. You know, I've been owning this car for about 2 months now, so I kind of got used to it. But anyways, what's left on this car is I need to reseal the transmission pan, and I need to do valve covers. They didn't say nothing about spark plugs, but since you're doing the valve covers and you got to take, you know, the ignition coils out anyway, might as well just go ahead and replace new spark plugs or whatever. So I was actually going to do everything. I was actually going to do the transmission reseal. I was also going to do the valve covers and the spark plugs, but the guy told me it would have been $1,400. I didn't mind paying that because Lexus went at like $2,300. And yes, I'm not taking this car to Lexus. No. Gotta save some money. This stuff is kind of simple. Valve covers and spark plugs is pretty simple, so I ain't really too much worried about that. But yeah, I'm about to save some money because Lexus, they want $1,700 just to do valve covers and spark plugs. This place only want $920, so bang for your buck. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up to the spot so y'all can see, and then we'll go ahead and chop it up just a little bit more, and y'all see where I'll drop it off and stuff like that. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, just pulled up to the spot I always shoot at, make my little sit down videos. So let's go ahead and show y'all these valve covers real quick so y'all can see. Now, I ain't playing. Smell like oil right now. So I don't know if y'all can see that right there. See where all that oil's at? It's dropping on the exhaust manifold. Yeah, that's what I'm smelling. Look at all that oil right there. It's on that plug, on that drain plug. This side is the worst though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, you can really see it on this side. I don't know if y'all can see it through the phone, but man, look at all that oil back there. Crazy. This side is not too bad, but still bad. You can even see the caked up oil right there. Go back, that little plug right there, you can see the oil, stuff like that. So yeah, man. I'm happy that this car is going to be getting this stuff changed and cleaned and all that, so I won't have to smell that. This car is way too nice for me to, matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all the car real quick. I'll show y'all the whip real quick, man. I'm trying to keep it up, man. I just went to go get it cleaned a couple of days ago. So I'm trying to keep the car up, trying to keep the daily up until, you know, birds want to hate on me. But yeah, man, I'm excited to finally get this stuff done. Y'all know, y'all been following the channel. Y'all know I'm real big into maintenance, you know. Maintenance is key. Maintenance is everything. All right, y'all, just pulled up. As y'all can see, Diablo Auto. That's where I'm gonna be going to. So let's hope and pray. Let's hope and pray that they do good work, like everybody rave about on Google. 5-star rating. See if you can get me in with no problems, and I'll be happy about that. But yeah, man, gonna be leaving the Lexus here overnight. So hopefully they kind of tuck it inside the garage. I don't want my car to be out in the open in the parking lot. So hopefully they just have it on the lid for some, or have it in there, just park it in there overnight. Take care of my baby, man. Please take care of my baby. I haven't been without this car since the first day I bought it, for like a week. I've been in this car like pretty much every day. So all right, y'all, as y'all can see, man, I'm back in the LS finally, man. I know I said I was gonna show y'all the G. I didn't show y'all the G, and I actually didn't fill you guys in on a lot of information, so we're gonna talk about that right now. So I had dropped the car off on Thursday, and they said it was gonna be done Friday evening, right? So I'm like, all right, you know what, I ain't got no ride, so let me just go ahead and get up there early, even if I have to wait. I just don't want them calling, you know, at like 4:30, and I'm about like 45 minutes away from there. So I said, you know what, let me just go up there right now. So I left my house around, I think 3 o'clock, dropped off the G, pulled up like, I believe like around 3:45, 3:50, and the lady told me that when they put the coil back in, it started freaking out, started wigging out, and you know, start misfiring. And she said, you know, I wouldn't recommend you driving it, but everything is done, but I wouldn't recommend you driving it until, you know, you replace the coil because it's misfiring. So I was like, you know what, it is what it is, got to get replaced, right? So the funny thing is that this shop is not open Saturdays and Sundays. They only open Monday through Friday. So pretty much the LS was there all weekend, and I'm recording this video on Monday. So it was there all weekend. I just picked it up today. So I had got a call in the morning, and she said, you know, I actually have good news for you. It turns out that it wasn't your coil. It was like a little clip in the like where the fuel injectors go, or I guess. And she said that was loose, and that was causing all the misfiring and, you know, the engine wigging out and stuff like that. So they replaced the new clip, and I didn't have to buy the coil, but they did get the coil from Lexus. So I was happy. I ain't gonna lie. I was happy, y'all. I'm like, you know what? That's $154 back in my pocket. So I was happy about that. But for their inconvenience, I ain't gonna lie, for their inconvenience, for the car not being done on Friday, they actually gave me a rental car. I had went to Enterprise, they paid for it. All I had to do was pay for the deposit, which deposit is probably right back on my card. So good customer service. The car is running really good. It's actually running a lot smoother than it was before, probably because, you know, got fresh new spark plugs and that oil ain't dripping all over the place. I'm actually show you guys how clean it is now. Like, it's not perfectly clean, but it's clean. Like before, I couldn't even see the valve covers. Now you can see them. You know what I'm saying? Now oil everywhere and stuff like that. And then what I like about this place too is that they give you a 3-year warranty on their work. So anything happens within 3 years, I see oil leaks or whatever, anything happens, I can go ahead and get it replaced, no questions asked, for free. So that's one thing I do like about this shop. And you know, hopefully we can continue doing business. All right, y'all. Y'all can see, look how clean it is, man. Like I said, it's not the cleanest, but it's clean. Like before, you couldn't even see the valve cover, man. So As y'all can see, ain't no oil dripping right there. No oil dripping right there. To the other part. No oil dripping right here. Everything is clean. Everything is clean. So definitely well needed service. I ain't gonna lie, this thing better stop at 50 because that's all I got for this car. Oh, look like we ain't stopped, but that's all I got. That's all I got for the legs, boy. This car's a gas guzzler. For real, for real. Let's see. Moment of truth. All right. Okay. We in the dough. Stop playing with him. Okay, 378. Average about, damn. My bad, y'all. But man, 16 gallons? I mean, 16 miles per gallon? That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. But 370. I range over 378 miles. Let me know what you guys range in your LS if you got one. But if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave me a like right now. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, all of that, man. We're going crazy. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.